if this is what you want. Kaya we were expecting, something better. Konting pakisamahan naman dito, it's been that way since before. Pero kung ganyan ang gagawin natin, kasi the other members of the majority should know that
the computation is based on an 80-20 representation from the majority and the minority. 80% of 12 members would be equal to 9.6 members, which may be rounded out to 10 members. 20% of 12 members would equal to 2.4 members, which is rounded out to 2.
Why all of a sudden coming up with something like this? And then coming up with percentages that an economist could not even understand. We were expecting at least some kind of cooperation or acknowledgement of the members of the minority before the majority leader all of a sudden stands up. The members of the majority have been talking to us. Nakikipag-usap. Kanina lang, kinausap kami ng President Pro Tem. Ngayon, biglang titindig itong majority leader na biglang he will be ramming down our throats. 10 members of the majority, all of a sudden. We're expecting more cooperation and more better treatment for the minority because we're trying to our best to treat you as well.